Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about SkinnyBoost 28 days detox tea kit. So you should purchase this product or not, and what are the benefits, what are the side effects. So in this video we will cover lots of information and how to use this product. We will also cover this information, okay? So let's get started. So first of all I want to tell you this is basically a tea, or you can say like masala tea. We can say like masala tea, okay? But the benefit of this masala tea is you can see the nutrition information of this masala tea is orange peel, sneha leaf, ginger root, cinnamon black and peppermint, lemongrass and kolong and dandelion. So basically all these you can say natural herb are related to, you can say your weight loss and your healthy lifestyle and your immune system, okay? And when you try to use this product, it will give you lots of benefits, but you have to use this product for at least like 28 days. And if you're not going to use this product for 28 days, you will not get any kind of results and you will not see any kind of changes. Or maybe you have to take this product at least for 2 months, like 56 days. But in 28 days, most of the people, like 90% people, will get results, okay? And what are the changes of the result? The results are very common, you will feel very energetic, and you will feel increase in your, you can say, like appetite, and it will boost your metabolism, okay? And if we talk about like how to use this product, because this is a very important part, how to use this product, you can use this product every day. You can say like there are 2 pack, like this is the daytime tea and evening time tea. You have to use daily daytime tea in the morning time, and you have to use, you can say evening tea for, you can say like every other night. You need to provide a gap of 1 day, and in this package you will see in the daytime tea you will get 28 bags, and in the evening tea you will get only 14 bags. So you have to use this evening tea for every other night, okay, for 28 days, okay? So you will get amazing results. And if we talk about this brand, this SkinnyBoost is a very popular brand, and this brand is approx like 17 years old. So you can use their product without any doubt and you can get the benefits, okay? So this is a 100% legit product, and the ratings you can see, this is amazing ratings, okay? So definitely you will get benefits. So this is the information. Now if you have any experience, you can share your thought in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. So thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.